Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Numerai cryptocurrency in the Revolut app. First of all, you go to the wealth section. Here you have different options: stocks, crypto, commodities, vaults. You can even buy gold and silver on the Revolut app. Pretty cool. So you go to crypto, go to invest, and here you will see all the available crypto options. So if we want to buy Numerai, we go to the Numerai section. Here you can see the statistics around this crypto. Let's see, the last year it grew 74%. Yeah, so if we want to invest, we go to buy. Here you have two options. You can either type in the amount of crypto that you want to buy, for example 200 billion if you are a billionaire, if you are Jeff Bezos, or you can type in the amount of money that you want to invest. You can use any currency that you want, even other cryptos. For example, I could buy Numerai for Bitcoin. Pretty cool. So I will use Romanian lei and I will type in the amount that I want to invest, 10 Romanian lei. I will receive 0.03 Numerai. Go to buy. Here are the conditions of this transaction. I would recommend you to read them before you invest in crypto. I already did, so I won't do it again. Here are the details for this transaction, and that's it. Confirm order, and that's it. You exchange 0.03 Numerai. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It would help a lot. And don't forget, if you have any questions, just ask me.